The number one thing for my administration na to protect lives and properties of Rivers people. That na why we go partner with the police and other security agencies, and we call for their cooperation to secure the lives and properties of people of Rivers State. And my government go support the security agencies with logistics to help them do their work wella. Rivers State Governor Fubara talk this one when he received the Assistant Inspector General of Police wey dey in charge of Zone 16 wey cover Rivers and Bayelsa State, Ben Umbolisa Okolo, and his entourage for one courtesy call for Government House Port Harcourt on Thursday, July 20, 2023. Governor Fubara come talk say na only if the state get correct peace and security, na im dem go fit carry out the ogbonge endeavour wey they get for the state.
Our state is one of the states in this federation, if not the only state that has one of the most wonderful relationships with security agencies. Our duty is to make sure we protect the life and property of our citizens. We still work to ensure that our people are protected. Development in this state cannot be achieved, or so far, even the ones that are recorded, we only achieve them because life and property in this state have been secured. In our own administration, we intend to do more for the welfare of our people. So I want to assure you, as a government, we will continue to work with you people, give you all the necessary support.
For his speech, AIG Ben Okolo congratulated the governor for an electoral victory and say them ready gidigba to collaborate with Rivers State government to ensure ogbonge security for the state. He can also give accolades to the Rivers State government for its commitment to the security of the state.
First is to congratulate you of your success in the last election and to observe that you hit the ground running. Congratulations, sir. So I want to observe that the primary purpose of government is security and welfare of the citizenry. And I'm sure that your government is committed to ensure this is achievable in Rivers State. And we, as primary critical stakeholders in the security industry and lead agency in internal security, are not only willing, but we want to assure you that we continue to partner and synergize with your government to ensure that that mandate that the Constitution has given you is achieved as the Chief Security Officer of the state. We, from time to time, as our father, we come with one request or the other to ensure that our security architecture, security logistics are functioning well. Please, when we come, kindly oblige us.
People wey follow AIG Ben Okolo for this visit now, the Rivers State Commissioner of Police Nwoye Polycarp Emeka and other police officers from Zone 6. From Port Harcourt, A. Carter Ojesole, TMC TV News.